Yo, what's up guys, Ziferblat here, and today we are reacting to the grand finale of Eurovision 2025. This is Ukraine. Ziferblat. Let's check it out, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Dude, how do they... Well, obviously it's a filter. Ukraine is very subtle, but I know there's a message in here. The back vocal is my favorite part. It's the best part for me. Nice.
Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who's lost. But yes, I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who can.
Yo, I like Ukraine. Ukraine's entry is really nice.
Europe, thank you so much for your support. Slava Ukraini!
Yeah, a message to Ukraine there. Guys, pretty awesome. I think his song is a little bit versatile and has different genres. I love the part. That is my favorite part. I love it. It's a kind of like an 80s vibe to it also. Pretty cool. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go check out the next performance. Click over here to see my Eurovision playlist. Let me know who you want to win. Bye-bye.